Automatic exchanges. In the late 1880s, the idea of automatic telephone exchanges was being talked about. Following them, a necessity brings innovation rule. We have an undertaker that is low on business and his competition in the town is busy. Is he paying someone to push business his way? Undertaker, Almon Brown Stroger thought as much, so he devised a switch that could connect phones without needing operators. The switch connected a phone to a possible 100 numbers using what is called a bimotional switch, moving up 10 and across 10, creating 100 possible connections. There is an SE50 final selector on display. It can be stepped up to 9 and around 9. Push the button, then dial number 9. This equipment was just known as a Stroger. They had an automatic system in America in 1892 connected to 10 customers. Almon hired an engineer, Alexander Keith, in 1891, who designed the concept of a step-by-step exchange. This equipment was then licensed across the world. A uniselector was developed to find a free bimotional switch to connect to, which saved on equipment as a lower number of bimotional switches were required. Only a uniselector was required for each connection. This is how a call is set up on a 2000 type step-by-step automatic telephone exchange. Dialing 655, the uniselector hunts for a free first selector, and you will get dial tone, dial number 6, and the first selector will move 6 places, connecting you then to a final selector. Dialing number 5, the final selector will move up 5 rows. After dialing number 5 again, it will move across 5 places, and it will ring the other phone, pick up the handset, and the phones are connected. A meter is connected that advances 1 when the called person answers. The connections are released when the calling phone hangs up. The equipment is now ready for another call. The space required to connect a customer is a uniselector, the first selector, as well as the final selector. This becomes a space consideration for large telephone exchanges and gives an idea as to the large space or footprint required for each connection. Nearby, a ring and tone generator machine can also be listened to for dial tone, ringtone, ringer, NU tone, and busy tone.